Hello, welcome to this episode of the Smile, Create, Repeat instructional demonstration video. We're going to use a dip pen and I'm going to show you, it's going to be a little different. We're not just doing one big illustration. I'm going to do 3 different techniques using a dip pen and a brush pen that you can use for inking your drawings. So we're going to get started on this first one with a dip pen. And some of you, if you have a nib here, these are sharp, so be careful when you're holding it with your hand. It just goes in and that's it. I have my ink here, and I have a scrap piece of paper just to check how much ink's on the nib, because I don't want to get too much. All right, so the first thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how to do cross hatching. So what I'm going to do is just, and what we're using is Bristol board. It's very smooth. I really like it. Some people might not, but professional comic artists don't use it now because they use computers and just draw it right on the screen, but they used to use this, and a lot of us still do. So I'm just drawing a cube here because I just want to have a simple shape to show you what I'm talking about. And that line I messed up a little bit, but I like the scratchy effects I can get with the pen. Okay, so the light is going to be coming from over here. So the shadow will be here, and I'm breaking it up, and then it'll be back here too. So it'll be about here, and then fade because the light. So the way you do cross hatching is just lots of marks. So I'm going to start on this side. We'll have a little bit of light, and this is wrong. It's actually going to be from up here a little bit, because I want this to be the lightest plane, middle, dark. So what I'm going to do is, and you can do this like this with long straight lines, or you can do it short lines in the same direction and fairly evenly spaced apart. And you can see the different effect that it has. This gives you a little texture, like there's something going on there. And you can go up, fill it in if you need it to be a little more. And then I'm going to do that again on this side too. And I'm going with the perspective on this one. So what I mean by that, instead of just going like this, straight across, I'm going up in the drawing anyway. So it looks like it goes with that. So now that I've done that, that's hatching. Now cross hatching is just that. So you can just do, and again, you can vary it if you want to make texture, or if you're just want to, or you can go straight across, and you should be able to see the difference. Let's see, do you? Yep. All right, so that's that. And then for the shadow, I'm going to do something like I did over here, but a little different. I'm going to do hatching. So I do longer lines, and then I'm going to space them out. And then even less. And then to make it a little softer transition, I'll add some in between, and less as I go out. And so that's how you do a cross hatching. That's how you do cross hatching.